And one of the men in the group bet him that he couldn't write a song about the place that he came from in Ireland, nor could he include its name in the title. Well, he must have went off and wrote this next song. I like it, and I hope you do too. The Garden of Eden has vanished, they say, but I know the lie of it still. Just turn to the left at the bridge of Finney and stop when halfway to Coothill. It's there you will find it, I know sure enough, for fortune has come to my call. The grass it grows green around and the blue sky is over it all, and tones that are tender and tones that are rough come whispering over the sea. Come back come home, Paddy Riley, to me. My mother once told me that when I was born, the day that I first saw the light, I looked down the street on that very first morning and gave a great crow of delight. Now most newborn babies appear in a huff and start with a sorrowful squall, but I knew I was born in Ballyjamestown, and that's why I smile at them all. The baby's a man now, he's toil-worn and tough, still whispers come over the sea. Come back, Paddy Riley, to Ballyjamestown. Come home. That's lovely. Come home, Paddy Riley, to me. Thank you. Thank you very much. Well done.